all people from all walks of life who are here, they're here because they want to contribute something. They want to enrich the discussions that are there to come up with ideas. Many of our artists were forced to exile, but even these did not succeed in silencing them. Instead, they amplified their voices and the cry for freedom reverberated across the world. Someone had to listen.
I came from the National Lotteries Board, which is the institution that has been created by the new dispensation. There are people who are applying on your behalf, who don't know the industry, who don't know the festivals, but because they've got an art of making and presenting a business plan which makes sense according to the law, they are given the money. Those people don't have the artists at heart. They tend to invite many international artists and they pay them heavily. The money that they pay them is from National Lottery. My advice, be a registered entity.
You know, SABC, they want young faces. Okay, fine. Right. You know, we are old and it's okay. But I don't think my talent and my experience is Schwabe. I can read my lines, I can read my script, I can do everything with the experience that I have. This is the only industry and a big experience, a big looks. If I can't sing anymore, but I can talk to the children. After we haven't performed, we haven't worked for 3 months. We're performing, and then you must wait for 30 days. God. That is hurting. Sorry, I'm becoming emotional because I'm talking from the heart, and this is very, very painful for me. Not for me only. I'm talking on behalf of all the artists, the young ones and Nama veterans.
Actually at death row for 12 months, waiting to be hanged at the age of 24. So he wrote his music there. That's part of our history. Deputy Minister did that. He wrote his music there. And now he is not known like many others who came from exile, who came from Robben Island, except those who through the media got known. You said we can't fill up as 90 people's sitter, whatever. We can have those seats. Angie is my witness. We can have those seats with the right marketing, right noises, right whatever.
Dr. Mandela said, on his speech, he said, well, it is music and dancing that makes him at peace with the world. It is said that our role players in the music industry, I'm talking about promoters, managers, and agents, who do not value and respect the work that musicians and artists do to better our world, and as much as our politicians who don't recognize and realize that musicians, artists, fronted for them when the apartheid regime system was not allowing them to perform or act accordingly, to reach out to our people. We were the mouthpieces.
In our country, we seem to reduce the arts into music only. Konamanje, we've been here, the talk, everything that's said, it's more biased to music. We don't really engage with all the art genres that are here. We are talking veterans today. We have Ubabudon Matera there. We have Ubabunjali here. We have Sisbo, visual art, our David Kolwan. But we emphasize music as if the other art genres are less important. And I guess that is why, as well as artists, we find it difficult to come together and work together and produce. We have different art forms that we specialize in, and we all want to feel important. We all want to feel valued. as we celebrate the veterans, let's bring the young ones with us. Let us